In this video, we will show you how to add extended day for app must target Android 15 API level 35 or higher on Google Play Console Developer. To extend the time, you can easy how to do that. You can see in my case, my time is granted until November 1, 2025. And to extend the time, you can just click the unread notification in here. For example, I will using this sample like support 16 kilobytes. Click view details. After that, you will have the extend menu. You can see request additional times. Just click this and you can provide a reason. For example, it require me to make extensive change to my app and I'm waiting on a new SDK and click request like this. So you will have the additional time to update your app on the Google Play Developer Console. And you must update your app within that time. And that's all tutorial how to fix a problem the API must target 35 or higher. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.